Welcome to Learn Center. Today I will discuss about the inheritance in Java. In Java, inheritance means creating new classes based on existing ones. A class that inherits from another class can reuse the methods and fields of that class. In addition, you can add new fields and methods to your subclasses as well. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. It is an important part of OOPS, that is Object-Oriented Programming System. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse methods and fields of the parent class. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Why do we need a Java inheritance? Code reusability. The code written in the superclass is common to all subclasses. Child classes can directly use the parent class code. Method overriding. Method overriding is a mechanism only through inheritance. It is one of the way by which Java achieve runtime polymorphism. Abstraction. The concept of abstraction where we do not have to provide all ideas in achieved through inheritance. Abstraction only shows the functionality to the users. How to use inheritance in Java? The extend keyword is used for inheritance in Java. Using the existing keyword indicates you are derived from an existing class. In other words, extends refers to increased functionality. The super keyword allows referencing the parent class or superclasses of a subclass in Java. It is often employed to access members, fields or methods of the superclasses that have been overwritten in the subclasses. You can call the superclasses method from within the subclass using super. It is a relationship. In Java, inheritance is a relationship. That is, we use inheritance only if there exists an easy relationship between two classes. Type of inheritance in Java: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. As we are seeing here in the diagram, when one class inherits another class, in example, class B inherits class A, is a single inheritance. When there is a chain of inheritance, supposing class B inherits class A and class C inherits class B. So this is called multi-level inheritance. When two class B and C inherits class A, that is called hierarchical inheritance. Single inheritance. In single inheritance, subclasses inherits the feature of one superclass. In the image below, class A serves as a base class for the derived class B. Multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a derived class will be inheriting a base class, as well as the derived class also act as the base class for other classes. In the below image, class A serves as a base class for the derived class B, which in turn serves as a base class for the derived class C. In Java, a class cannot directly access the grandparents' members. Hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, one class serves as a superclass, that is base class, for more than one classes. In the below image, class A serves as a base class for the derived class B and C. Multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. To reduce the complexity and simplicity, the language multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Since compile time error are better than runtime error, Java renders compile time error if you inherit two classes. So whether you have a same method or different, there will be a compile time error. So we are concluding our discussion. In the upcoming class, you will see some example on inheritance in our separate video. Thank you for listening us. We will join again in other session.